Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and while you were sleeping, your next YouTube video was already being created. The topic was researched, the script was written, the visuals were generated, the avatar recorded the video, and the content was ready to publish. No camera, no studio, no filming, no retakes. Sounds impossible? Well, creators are already moving in this direction. And one creator who's become well known for embracing AI-first content creation is Vaibhav Sisinti. Today we are breaking down how creators like him are using AI avatars, AI tools, and automation to completely change the way YouTube content gets made. And trust me, the future of content creation is way closer than most people realize. Let's be honest, creating YouTube videos is hard. You need an idea, research, a script, a camera, lighting, recording, editing, thumbnails, publishing. And then you repeat the entire process again next week. For many creators, the biggest challenge isn't creativity, it's consistency. Because making one great video is difficult, making one every week is even harder. And that's exactly why AI is becoming so important. One of the biggest shifts happening right now is AI avatars. Instead of filming every video yourself, you can create a digital version of yourself. A virtual clone, an AI presenter, a digital twin. And that's where tools like HeyGen come in. You train an avatar using your appearance and voice. Then the avatar can present videos for you, even when you're not on camera. Think about that. You could write a script at midnight, generate the video, and have an AI version of yourself present it the next morning. That sounds futuristic, but it's already happening. But the avatar is only one piece of the puzzle. The real magic happens when AI helps with the entire workflow. Let's break it down. Step 1. Finding video ideas. Every YouTube video starts with an idea, and today creators don't just guess anymore, they use AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity can help discover trending topics, audience questions, and content opportunities. Want to know what people are searching for? Google Trends can help. Want deep research? Perplexity can scan the internet in seconds. Instead of spending hours researching, AI can give you dozens of ideas within minutes. Step 2. Script writing. Now comes the script. Traditionally, this could take hours, sometimes days. Today, creators use ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini to generate first drafts, research information, improve hooks, create storytelling structures, and organize ideas. Now, AI doesn't replace great storytelling, but it eliminates the blank page problem, and that's a huge advantage. Step 3. The AI presenter. Now comes the fun part, the presenter. Instead of recording videos manually, tools like HeyGen can turn scripts into videos using AI avatars. You simply upload the script, choose your avatar, generate the video, and your digital presenter starts talking. Some avatars are becoming so realistic that viewers often don't realize they're watching AI. Step 4. AI visuals. Now imagine creating cinematic visuals without cameras, without actors, without expensive equipment. This is where tools like Google VO, Kling, Runway, Sora, and Grok Imagine come in. Creators can generate futuristic cities, historical scenes, product shots, and entire cinematic sequences using only text prompts. 5 years ago, this would have sounded impossible. Today, it's becoming normal. Step 5. Video editing. Now here's something interesting. AI can help edit videos too. Tools like Descript can remove filler words automatically. Opus Clip can turn long videos into shorts. CapCut has AI editing features. Adobe Premiere now includes AI tools. But here's something important. Many successful creators still rely on human editors, including creators who heavily use AI. Because editing isn't just cutting clips, it's storytelling, timing, emotion, pacing. AI can speed up editing, but humans still make the final creative decisions. Step 6. Thumbnails. Even thumbnails are changing. Creators use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Image generators help create concepts. Designers then refine those concepts into high-performing thumbnails. And sometimes the thumbnail itself can take longer than the video, because if nobody clicks, nobody watches. Most people think the avatar is the biggest innovation, but honestly, it's not. The real superpower is leverage. Imagine connecting all these tools together. ChatGPT writes, Perplexity researches, HeyGen presents, VO creates visuals, CapCut helps edit, and suddenly, one creator can produce the work that previously required an entire team. And here's the crazy part. 5 years ago, building a media company required massive resources. Today, one person with AI tools can compete with organizations that once needed large teams. Now imagine where this goes next. One creator, 10 channels, 20 languages, videos published around the clock. AI agents researching topics, AI avatars presenting content, AI helping with production, AI translating videos into multiple languages instantly. We're moving from individual creators to creator-operated media companies, and that shift is happening much faster than most people realize. But let's be realistic. AI still has limitations. It doesn't truly understand people. It doesn't understand culture like humans do. It doesn't know what will emotionally connect with an audience. The best creators aren't winning because they have AI. They're winning because they have great ideas. AI simply helps them execute faster. Because at the end of the day, tools don't build audiences. People do. The biggest lesson isn't about HeyGen or ChatGPT or any individual tool. It's about learning how to use technology as leverage. Because every major technology shift rewards people who learn it early. And right now, we're witnessing one of the biggest shifts in content creation history. Today it's AI avatars. Tomorrow it could be fully autonomous content systems. And the creators who understand these tools today could be building the media companies of tomorrow. So tell me, would you let an AI version of yourself run a YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more AI insights. I'll see you in the next one.